Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to do a quick paint job on this Lamborghini Huracan. Somebody backed into this car and damaged the front bumper and hood, so we did our repairs and we're going to paint everything complete. We're going to blend the paint, clear the entire panel, and make it look like new again. Let's take a look and see where we're at. Here's our bumper, it's prepped. Here's our repair. And here's our hood. So we're going to blend the paint on the hood. We're not gonna touch the fenders. I'm just gonna spray some color on the front of the hood and the front of the bumper. Should be looking good. Spray booth, masked up, prepped, and ready to go. I cleaned it up and I got my base coat mixed up, so we're ready to spray. Let's take a look. This is what it looks like. A lot of masking, making sure everything's nice and clean. And then we got our hood, of course. So I got my clear base coat mixed up and then my color base coat mixed up. Let's start spraying. My base coat is dry. I did my 2 coats plus a control coat and got the proper coverage, so everything's looking beautiful. Our hood blended out nicely. I stayed away from the fenders and blended the top as well, so our color match should match perfectly. Everything's looking good. I'm ready to clear coat. I got my clear coat mixed up. So let's do it. 2 coats of clear and it will be looking like glass. The Lamborghini is finally painted and it's looking beautiful. I already unmasked the car, still gotta unmask the bumper, but let's take a look. Check it out. Like nothing ever happened. Here's the bumper. So, gotta do a little unmasking on the bumper, get it all ready. And then we'll install everything on the car, get her washed and detailed, and ready to roll. Beautiful, beautiful car. The Lamborghini is painted, assembled, and ready to go. Still gotta give it a quick detail, put the front emblem on, and I'll be ready for the customer. Turned out super nice, very happy with it. Looks just like new. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and comment below. I'll see you guys on the next one.